Welcome to another Quickvee tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to attach a customer to an order and help them earn loyalty points using Quickvee. It's super simple and can boost your customer engagement. Let's dive in. From the main menu, access the Register tab on the top left corner. Once you're here, on the top right, you'll see an option to search customer by phone number or email. Let's break this down. If the customer already exists in your system, you can quickly find them by typing in their name, phone number, or email address. But what if the customer isn't in your system yet? No problem. Start by typing their name, phone number, or email into the search bar. If they're not found, you'll see a plus button that says Add as a new customer. Click on it. Now fill in the 3 required fields: first name, phone number, and email address. Quickvee requires an email address because it's super helpful for future marketing and customer communication. Try your best to collect it. Once you're done, click Save Customer, and that's it. The customer is now added to the system. After saving, you'll see the customer's name at the top right corner of the screen, along with their total loyalty points. If the customer forgot to put their phone number before making a purchase, no worries. Customers can also type their phone number directly into the rear display or pin pad. If the purchase is complete, you can go back to the main menu and click on the Customers tab underneath the Register tab and search for the customer by name or phone number. Open their profile, and if you have the permissions, you can manually adjust their loyalty points. Just click on the loyalty balance and you'll have an option to add or remove points. That's it. Now you know how to attach a customer to an order and help them earn loyalty points. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for choosing Quickvee.